Someone can say something with the intent of being demeaning, but there's nothing they can say that causes me pain. That is impossible. It doesn't matter how much he's trying to hurt you. He's not that powerful. And that's the gift I want to give you here. I just want you to know that you're the one in control and you're the one in the power of that. He can't say anything to cause you pain until you have a thought about it. Your interpretation is what's hurting. And I'm not saying your interpretation shouldn't hurt. What I want you to see, and you guys, this is everything if you can get this. There is what he does, there's what you make it mean, and then there's how you feel. There is never what he does that's hurting you directly. He's not that powerful. I want you to recognize how much power you have in this situation, and that your interpretation of what he says is what's going to affect your experience of it. Nothing in your past has any power over you now. No neutral human has any power over you now. But we have to start with what's true, which is I'm 100% responsible for what I think, feel, and do in my life. And he is 100% responsible for what he thinks and does in his life. The work you've done so far is powerful and good, but we got to take it to the next level. When someone says something negative, horrible, I don't give a fuck about you, whatever, and you're able to see that that's all about them and that they're projecting and that they have their own issues and all of the stuff, and you just give it back to them, what you're able to feel sometimes in that moment is compassion. The way that I think about life is that it's not supposed to be easy and that it's not supposed to go as planned. But I think when things don't go the way that we expected them to go, we feel like something tragic has happened and then we feel so defeated. We can think about it that way temporarily, but then we got to get to work. So this is your new hand that you've been dealt. It is not the full house that you thought it was going to be. This is your assignment that you have been given, and this is what's up. This is the human experience. Some people lose their children. Some people have their children kidnapped. Some people are tortured. Some people have like tremendous pain every day of their lives in their body. Like the human experience, for most people, half of the time is terrible by our accounts. The only thing we have control over is, okay, if we see that that circumstance is neutral, then how do I want to handle this? How do I want to step in and be the best version of myself with this challenge in front of me? Learning how to deal with the crappy hand, I think, is the point. I don't think the point is to always be dealt the full house. I think the point is to deal with the crappy hand and still stay true to who you genuinely want to be. That's how we evolve. So yeah, this is what you've been given on your plate, and you're a badass. Bring it. What else you got? You're in like the deepest workout you've ever been in, and it's supposed to be hard. What if it should be this hard? What if this is what it's all about right here? This is when you get to decide who you really are.